So last night I was in Da Nang driving around and I found this local spot. It was the most local spot that I found until now. No tourists, real food, and I didn't even know what I was gonna eat. So look what happened. Just stopped by in a local place and I told the guy, bring me whatever. I don't know what he was gonna bring. He bring me some chicken, I guess, fried chicken. And then I ordered something else. I think it's a whole fish with vegetables. He's like, it's gonna take 40 minutes. I'm like, I don't care, I have time to wait. But just the experience of being surrounded locals in a shitty place like this, I love it. So let's try this food. I don't know what it is. Let's see. Wow. Oh wow. Yeah. With fried chicken with lemongrass and some other vegetables, I don't know. But it's like the Kentucky Fried Chicken from Vietnam. Vegetables, yeah, so good. I hope it's chicken. I don't know because it's kind of small. Maybe it's something else. I don't know. If it's not chicken, then it's good anyway. And honestly, me I'm that type of guy who likes to try new foods, new experiences. So whatever it is, I don't care. It's good. So I just find out what I'm eating. And it's not chicken, it's frog. It's so good. I'm so happy that I got surprised with this. I love it. You know, this is the good experience that you have when you come to a different country. Just a little bit thinking that I'm eating chicken, I ended up eating frog. Nice frog. So I just got my second plate. I guess it's a whole fish. No, thank you. I don't even know what to do with this. Let's take a little piece like that. Oh yeah, spicy. Wow. Definitely. We have some flavor of a river or something. It was swimming in the pond. I don't know where they got it from. But across the street, there is a guy with a little grill. So I saw the waiter leaving the restaurant with this fish probably. They cook it across the street and they brought it here, which is amazing. And I have some dipping sauce over here. Let's do that. Yeah. Spicy. Whoa. Woo. Wow. Definitely. That's this is the type of experience that you never forget. Definitely not. This is why I travel. Real food, real experiences that you never forget. I love it.